Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Story on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the 4 essential chords you'll need: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. Focus on making your chord changes smooth and effortless. Before you begin, always make sure your ukulele is perfectly tuned to standard GCEA. This foundation is key to a beautiful sound. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. For Love Story, a simple yet effective pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Practice this slowly until it feels natural. The key is to maintain a consistent rhythm, keeping the flow steady and even. Remember, a gentle, flowing strum will best capture the romantic ballad feel of the song, so don't rush it. Now, let's look at the song's structure. Love Story typically follows a verse-chorus, bridge chorus pattern. Break the song down into these smaller sections and practice each one individually. Once you're comfortable, gradually combine them. Using a metronome can greatly improve your timing and ensure you maintain a steady tempo throughout your playing. Start slow and build up speed. Finally, it's time to put it all together. Try playing along with the original Love Story song, perhaps at a slightly slower tempo initially. Concentrate on making your chord changes clean and your strumming consistent. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of learning. Most importantly, enjoy the process of creating music and have fun playing this beautiful song on your ukulele.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.